What are you doing?
We're cleaning up the old water well. I think we're about a couple of 100 meters out of the village, and there's a pipe going to the village, but there was no water anymore. So we had a look a little bit further up the mountain, and this is what we found. So it was full of plants. There was no water. Matthias cleaned already for the first bit. Now I come to help. So when we started, there was like this bit of water, and look at it now. It's almost, well, knee height. And there are stones, so there's a firm foundation. And when you look closely, you see the well springing, bubbling up. So it's so exciting to restore this. It's one of the old systems which was functioning very well for the village. People used this water to drink before, but it's all abandoned now. So there has been mud with floods, with rainfall coming from the mountain, and there's just such a thick layer of mud everywhere. It's not so easy to clean because the water is bubbling up, and then, you know, we have to dig. But I didn't picture myself doing these kind of things when we moved here, but here we are. We're fixing broken systems. Well, this is definitely a broken system that needs to be fixed for the benefit of all people, because the water is life here.